Every day we ask ourselves these questions in the field of equine assisted activities and therapies. How can we support our horses? How can we help them be healthier and happier so that they can help our clients form the connections that they need to be there as a support to help heal a soul? But how do we help support them as they're supporting our clients? That's the question that we're going to explore during the workshop of Body, Mind, Spirit, and 4 Hooves. It's all about how to build a holistic wellness program that supports our horses on every level so that they can run free, they can be themselves, and they can feel free to express what their needs are so that they're not burnt out. So hello, I'm Michelle Holling-Brooks, and I'm the founder and executive of Unbridled Change. We are a nonprofit equine assisted activities and therapies program, and I've been in this field for over 19 years. You might notice some gray hair in there. And over that time, I've really explored this question of how can we best support our horses. I've been in barns where I've just seen them surviving, just handling and complying with their workload. And none of us want that. We don't want that for ourselves, and we definitely don't want it for our horses. Because if they're only complying and they're just surviving and not thriving, then they can't do the amazing work that we are asking them to do every day, which is to help us heal and support our clients as they learn how to step into their voice, as they learn to find their authentic power, as they learn to be in connection with themselves and the world around them. So how do we help our horses move into the thriving and feeling confident, healthy, happy in their role as equine therapists? I've been doing that for the last 10 years of teaching other professionals all across the nation of how to bring these programs into their centers. And I would love to help teach you. Over the 2-day workshop, we're going to explore not only what is mind, body, and soul connections for our horses, but what are the different type of activities and exercises that you can bring into your barn right now with your horses so that you too can have a body work and an energy work protocol and program for them. That you will know how to help them come into balance and how to release any trapped emotions that might have come across as a result of working with our clients. In addition to that, I also have found that I need to help teach the skills for us as caregivers and the leaders for our horses. So we'll also be exploring of how to help you become balanced in your leadership role with your horses based on trust, respect, and willingness. I hope you'll join us. Check out more about this amazing 2-day workshop where you can learn and explore how to create a holistic health program for your horses. Thanks.